My family and I love going to the beach. It is our favorite place to relax and have fun. Last weekend, we decided to visit a beautiful beach near our home. We woke up early in the morning to prepare everything we needed. My mom packed sandwiches, fruits, cookies, and lemonade. My dad checked the car to make sure everything was ready for the trip. My brother and I packed our swimsuits, towels, and a big beach ball. On the way to the beach, we listened to our favorite songs. My dad told us stories about when he was young and used to visit the same beach. My brother and I laughed and asked him a lot of questions. The drive was about 30 minutes, but it felt so short because we were all so excited. When we arrived, the beach was perfect, the sand was soft, and the water was sparkling under the sun. We found a spot near some palm trees for shade. My mom spread out a big blanket, and we placed our bags on it. The first thing we did was put on sunscreen. My dad always says, "No sunscreen, no fun." After that, my brother and I ran to the water. It felt cool and refreshing. We splashed each other and laughed so much. Then, we decided to build a sandcastle. We worked together to make it big and strong. My brother collected seashells to decorate the castle, and I made a small flag with a stick and a piece of paper. My dad helped us dig a moat around the castle. "Watch out for the waves," he said, and we all laughed when the water came and destroyed part of our castle. After playing in the sand, we all went swimming. The water was warm and clear. My mom stayed near the shore and watched us, while my dad swam farther out. My brother and I pretended to be fish. We swam fast and tried to catch each other. At one point, we saw a school of small, colorful fish swimming around us. My brother shouted, "Look, a rainbow fish!" And we both tried to follow it. Later, we used our beach ball to play a game. My dad threw the ball high into the air, and my brother and I tried to catch it. Sometimes the wind carried the ball too far, and we had to run after it. We laughed a lot and cheered every time someone caught the ball. After all that swimming and playing, we were hungry. My mom called us to the blanket for lunch. We sat together and enjoyed the sandwiches she made. "This lemonade is the best," my brother said, and we all agreed. While we were eating, a seagull flew very close to us. It tried to grab a cookie from our plate. My dad waved his arms and scared it away. "This seagull loves cookies as much as we do," he joked, and we all laughed. In the evening, we decided to rest and watch the sunset. My mom took out her camera to capture the beautiful sky. The colors were amazing, orange, pink, and purple mixed together. My dad said, "Every sunset is like a painting." We sat quietly for a while, just enjoying the view and the sound of the waves. It was the perfect way to end the day. Before leaving, my brother and I ran to the water one last time. We made a promise to come back soon. Then, we helped pack up our things and carried them to the car. On the way home, my brother and I fell asleep. It was a day we will always remember. Listen and repeat. We love going to the beach. We love going to the beach. The beach was beautiful. The beach was beautiful. Mom packed sandwiches for lunch. Mom packed sandwiches for lunch. The lemonade was so refreshing. The lemonade was so refreshing. We brought colorful towels to dry off. We brought colorful towels to dry off. On the way, we played our favorite songs. On the way, we played our favorite songs. We found a shady spot under the trees. We found a shady spot under the trees. Mom spread out the blanket on the sand. Mom spread out the blanket on the sand. Dad said, "No sunscreen, no fun." Dad said, "No sunscreen, no fun." We splashed water and laughed a lot. We splashed water and laughed a lot. We built a huge sand castle together. We built a huge sand castle together. My brother added seashells to decorate it. My brother added seashells to decorate it. Dad dug a moat, but a wave destroyed it. Dad dug a moat, but a wave destroyed it. After playing in the sand, we went swimming. After playing in the sand, we went swimming. Mom stayed near the shore to watch us while Dad swam farther out. Mom stayed near the shore to watch us while Dad swam farther out. We swam fast, trying to catch each other. We swam fast, trying to catch each other. "Look, a rainbow fish!" My brother shouted. "Look, a rainbow fish!" My brother shouted. Dad threw the beach ball high into the air. Dad threw the beach ball high into the air. The wind carried the ball far away. The wind carried the ball far away. We cheered whenever someone caught it. We cheered whenever someone caught it. After swimming, we were so hungry. After swimming, we were so hungry. We enjoyed the sandwiches Mom made. We enjoyed the sandwiches Mom made. This lemonade is the best. This lemonade is the best. A seagull tried to grab our cookies. A seagull tried to grab our cookies. Dad waved his arms to scare it away. Dad waved his arms to scare it away. We laughed at the seagull's funny attempt. We laughed at the seagull's funny attempt. In the evening, we sat together to rest and watch the sunset. In the evening, we sat together to rest and watch the sunset. My mom took out her camera to capture the beautiful sky. My mom took out her camera to capture the beautiful sky. Every sunset is like a painting, my dad said. Every sunset is like a painting, my dad said. We sat quietly for a while, listening to the waves. We sat quietly for a while, listening to the waves. Before leaving, my brother and I ran to the water one last time. Before leaving, my brother and I ran to the water one last time. We'll come back soon. We promised. We'll come back soon. We promised. We helped pack up our things and carried them to the car. We helped pack up our things and carried them to the car. On the way home, my brother and I fell asleep. On the way home, my brother and I fell asleep.
It's quiz time. Question 1. What did the family do before leaving the house? Ate breakfast. Packed towels. Watched TV. Walked the dog. Time's over. Question 2. Where did the family find a spot at the beach? Near the water. Under palm trees. Close to a food truck. In the parking lot. Time's over. Question 3. What did Dad say about sunscreen? It's not necessary. Apply it once every hour. No sunscreen, no fun. Sunscreen is optional. Time's over. Question 4. What happened to the moat the family dug? A wave destroyed it. It collapsed on its own. The kids filled it with sand. It was left unfinished. Time's over. Question 5. What did the brother and sister pretend to be? Dolphins, fish, sharks, seagulls. Time's over. Question 6. What did the brother shout when he saw a colorful fish? Look, a rainbow fish. Look, a starfish. Look, a dolphin. Look, a crab. Time's over. Question 7. What did the wind do to the beach ball? Blew it into the ocean. Carried it too far. Kept it in one place. Popped it. Time's over. Question 8. What did the family eat for lunch? Pizza. Burgers. Hot dogs. Sandwiches. Time's over. Question 9. What did the seagull try to grab? A sandwich. A cookie. A piece of fruit. A towel. Time's over. Question 10. What did Dad say about the sunset? It's like a dream. Every sunset is like a painting. The sunset is overrated. It's time to leave. Time's over. How many correct answers did you get? Let me know in the comments. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Follow me to practice more English and share it with that special person you care about who wants to practice English too.